on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making baked chicken breast. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 chicken breasts, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, we're going to pound out our chicken breast so that it cooks evenly in the oven. You want to get a bowl of warm water. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of sea salt. You want to make sure that the sea salt dissolves. Salt has dissolved. We're going to place in our chicken breast. And we're going to let that brine for 30 minutes. Do not skip this step. After 30 minutes, you want to get a bowl of cold water, and we're just going to take our chicken breast out of the salted water and put it into our cold water. All you want to do is rinse all of the salt off of your chicken. You want to line a plate with paper towels, and we're going to place our chicken breast onto it. We're going to dry our chicken breast off. Now you want to melt your 3 tablespoons of butter. Once your chicken breasts are dried off, we're just going to coat each side of our breast with the butter. Okay, next you want to get a bowl, and we're just going to add all our seasonings in. Our onion powder, our paprika, garlic powder, our garlic and herb, ground black pepper, and our adobo all-purpose seasoning. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. So now we're going to take our seasoning mix and we're going to sprinkle it over top of our chicken breast. And you just want to rub it in. And we're going to do that on both sides. You can set your oven to 450 degrees. Now you want to get a baking tray, and we're just going to put our chicken breast onto it. Our chicken breast can go into the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken breasts are now out the oven. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our oven baked chicken breast. It's nice and tender and juicy. You guys can pair it with your favorite side dish and vegetables. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?